Hello and welcome to another lecture in DBeaver course series by TechLeaders.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like course overview, objectives, then about DBeaver, like what is DBeaver, then setup installation of DBeaver on GCP. Now in this lecture we'll cover setup installation of DBeaver on AWS cloud. Okay, so what is our next step? Go on TechLeaders.net website, click on product and support page. In DevOps, in data analytics and business intelligence category, you can find about the DBeaver product, pre-configured DBeaver for seamless database management. Click on this product. So basically, we'll cover AWS deployment guide in this lecture. So you can click on AWS deployment guide, or you can also check this stuff like key features, use cases, and other things of DBeaver. Okay, so click on AWS deployment guide. Click on this link. This is a direct link to AWS Marketplace where your product is listed. Okay, so yes, you can see that DBeaver with GUI for data management with support by techlatest.net. Okay, so you can see that I have already subscribed and purchased this product. If you want to purchase this product, then click on view purchase option and you can purchase from here. Okay, so I have already subscribe and purchase this product, so I have to click on continue to configuration button. And then here you can see this the configuration option like the fulfillment software version. You can choose reason according to your reason. Okay, so next you have to click on continue to launch button. And after this, you can see that you can launch this software. You can choose action. You can choose EC2 instance type and other things like the VPC settings, subnet settings. Okay, then select the security group type. I am selecting default security group type. Then select your key pair settings like cubes. I am selecting cubes pair. You have to create a new key pair or you have to use old key pair. It totally depends on you. Then click on launch. Okay, and here you can see the congratulations, an instance of this software is successfully deployed on EC2. So you can view this instance on EC2 console. So click open this link in new tab. You can view your VM instance, basically the your VM running status and other things. Okay, so name this VM, which is DBeaver VM. Okay, so this is our VM name. Now you have to click on instance ID. So it will open an overview page of your VM. Basically the instance state, you can see instance state, yours, you can see public IP address and other things. Okay, let's see what is our next step. We have done with the steps. Open put IP is the public IP address and browse your private key downloaded by deploying VM by going to SSH auth credentials. Click the open enter user Ubuntu as user ID. Okay, so let's do this step. Then once connected, change the password for the Ubuntu user using below command. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, where is this is our public IPv address and search for putty. Copy the public IPv address, then open putty again, paste here, then click on SSH, click on auth, click credentials, browse your private key. Okay, so click space my private key, then click on open. Accept these terms, then maximize it, then change settings here, click on appearance, change it, then make it large. Okay, then login as Ubuntu and authenticating with public key cube sphere. Then you can change password here. Then again go on your guide and copy this command. Once connected, change the password for Ubuntu user. So copy this password, copy this command and paste here. Okay, and you can set up a new password here. Then retype new password. Okay, I think something error. Okay. Set up new password again. Retype new password again. And you can see that the password is updated successfully now. Okay, so now the password for the Ubuntu user set, you can connect to the VM desktop environment from any local Windows machine using RDP protocol and next machine using Remina. From a local Windows machine, go to start menu in the search box and type select remote desktop connection. In the remote desktop connection wizard, copy the public IPv address and click connect. Okay, so let's do this step. In my remote desktop option, paste the public IP here, then click on connect. After clicking on connect, click on yes. And here you can see it will open this VM basic, this remote desktop connection. Now give password here, click on OK. So it will open your virtual machine, basically remote desktop connection. Okay, so uh, again open this. And here you can see that we have successfully opened our VM. Now click on if you want to create new database and other things. So you click on DBeaver C. Here you can see the DBeaver C option. So click on DBeaver C and you can create new database from here. Okay, that because it will show some warnings. Okay, so ignore that warnings. Next step. So click on file. And if you like want to do some stuff here, like you can do in the file section, then if you click on database, okay, so you can see that new database connection, new connection from JDBC URL, drive manager, and lot of stuff here, like okay, so you can do things here. And then here you can see the SQL editor, then search button, then a navigate button, open database object, and other things. If you want to edit something, like you can do from here. Okay, and after this you can also see a lot of stuff here, like the projects and other things. Okay, so if you click on this link, so you will see file search db full text option. If you click on this link, then you can see create new database task, new task, database task, other things. Okay, if you click on SQL button, so if you click on SQL button, so you can see open SQL script and other things options. Okay, so again click on database. Okay, so you can get new database connection and other things. If you click on new database connection, so let's see what happened. So basically it will show like how you create database and select your database, like if you want to create a MariaDB Oracle database. So yep, like you can do stuff like this. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So yeah, bye bye.